The Sunkist Sunsort is a high-speed, high-resolution advanced vision system, powered by a combination of advanced AI and our proprietary imaging system. SunSort uses broad-spectrum sensors, true side lighting, and cameras to detect and identify defects year-round, allowing it to identify decay that cannot be seen by the naked eye in 1,000th of a second, improving pack output quality. The SunSort provides accurate, reliable, and easy-to-use sorting based on blemish, color, size, and shape. It can even identify citrus disease by name. And an intuitive interface design allows operators to easily set up sorting plans, monitor the processing in real time, and generate reports on demand. For more information, visit our website or contact us for a quote.